Number 5 VPN, Tomato VPN. Let's go Play Store. Search TOMATO Tomato VPN. You see the first icon. Click into here. When you click, you also see this option. After then, you scroll down, you see the revision 4.5 revision. After then, you also see 50 million plus downloads. And this feature, best VPN, 50 million plus user, 100% free forever. After then, penning booster, super fast. You also see this option, and after then, free and easy, no credit card needed, smooth on tap connect, access all blog content, Facebook, Twitter, Google, Instagram, etc. Privacy and safety. Thanks. Number 4 VPN, on VPN. You see, let's go Play Store. Search on VPN faster. Scroll down, you also see this link and icon. Click into here, install and download. After then, you also see their revision 4.4 on million reviews. After then, you also see this option 100 million download. Web. After then, you also see this option easily turn on web turn off. Your second way you for a more private internet. Subscribe with about traffic jams and share friend receive free data. Thank you. Number 3 see pubg VPN. Go your Play Store and search this option Turbo VPN TURVO and see, click into here and see their profile icon and tap on this link. After then, scroll down, also see their product reviews 4.5 and 8 million reviews. After then, you also see access web resource with easy. Tap on connect. Global fast service server and unlimited stable speed. Go online safely. Optimize network performance and also see their number 2 also find Thunder VPN. Go to Play Store and search THUNDER Thunder VPN. After then, click into here Thunder VPN. see their profile icon, click into their link. After then you also see their reviewation 4.3 1 million reviews, 100 plus million downloads, and their facilities say protect your privacy as fast as lighting connected, protect your after then as fast server with lighting, and as see their more faster server for VIP, and after then you also see server for VIP, specify purpose server for VIP, specific purpose server for VIP. See number on VPN, fast VPN, super fast VPN. After then go to Play Store and search super fast fast VPN. When you search, you also see this option, search bar icon. Click into tab here. When you tap, you also see their profile icon and link. Click into their profile link. When you click their profile link, scroll down. You also find this option there. Reviewation 4.5 reviewation and 4 million reviews. After then you also see 100 millions plus download and see their facilities super VPN. After then you also see attention super VPN attention creation VPN connection by process and giving the application permission international network traffic. Do you not accept unless turn on the application otherwise confirmation trust this application. See this option. After then you also see disconnect option and find their facility. Thanks for watching all this video.